everybody, this is Meghraj and I welcome you to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve the next numerical from chapter Light. This question was asked in board exam for 5 marks. Let's see what the question is. Refractive indices of 4 media A, B, C and D are given below. So these are the medium A, B, C, D and these are their respective refractive indices. Okay, now let me tell you what is refractive index. So dear friends, this is the extent of bending of light while traveling from one transparent medium to another transparent medium due to change in optical density. What did I say? I said that refractive index is the extent or amount of bending of light ray while traveling from one transparent medium to another transparent medium which has difference in their optical density. That's what is refractive index. Now these are the values of refractive index of respective medias. Now this is the value 1.33. So what does it indicate? It indicates that the refractive index of medium A, that is the absolute refractive index of medium A. Now what is absolute refractive index? Refractive index of any medium with respect to air or vacuum is called the absolute refractive index. So these are the values for absolute refractive index of medium A, B, C, D right here. Okay, now we can see that for medium A, the value of refractive index is 1.33. What does it mean? It means two things. You can understand this value in two parts, or you can say two ways you can understand this thing. Okay, this value. The first way is the extent of bending while traveling from one medium to another medium. So this is absolute refractive index. So this is with respect to air or vacuum. So this is the amount of bending of light while traveling from one medium to another medium. So it is from medium A to medium air or vacuum. So that is the refractive index. That is 1.33 times is the bending of light while traveling from air to this medium. Okay. Now the other way to understand this is the speed of light. Okay. Speed of light changes this time. What did I say? I mean to say is the speed of light will be getting reduced this much times, that is 1.33 times slower in medium A with respect to medium air. Okay, so in medium A, the speed of light will be 1.33 times slower than in air. So that is the meaning of the refractive index. Always remember, dear friends, refractive index doesn't have any kind of unit. Okay, it's a mere number, just as magnification. Magnification also doesn't have any kind of unit. It's just times, 3 times, 4 times, or 1/3 time. It can be a number only. Okay, it doesn't have any kind of unit. Now what we have to find out? Let's see. We have to find out in which medium, in which of the given media is the speed of light maximum and minimum. So dear friends, where the speed of light will be, okay, the times, that is 1.66 times slower than air. So this will be the speed of light. Least speed of light will be in the medium D. Okay. And the fastest among these, the speed of light will be in medium A. So in medium A, the speed of light will be the fastest, that is maximum. In medium D, the speed of light will be the minimum. Okay, that is the first part, A part. Now let's see what the B part is. Which of them is most optically dense and which one is the least optically dense medium? Now dear friends, as I said earlier, that if the optical density is more, then the speed of light will be less in that media. So this value, refractive index, will be more for optically dense medium and less for optically rarer medium. Okay. So, what is the question? Which of them is most optically dense? So, D is the most optically dense medium, whereas least optically dense will be medium A. Now, let's come to the numerical part, dear friends. The numerical part is calculate the refractive index of medium B with respect to medium C. Give reasons for your answer. Now dear friends, we know the basic thing, that is refractive index of medium B with respect to medium C is always expressed like this. In my previous video about refractive index only, I've told this. You can see the link to that video in the I button. Okay. So NBC means refractive index of medium B with respect to medium C. So it can be expressed as speed of light in medium C upon speed of light in medium B. So this is the main formula I'm going to use. But what I know is the absolute refractive index of medium C will be speed of light in air or vacuum upon speed of light in medium C. So this is the formula I'm going to utilize 2 times in case of medium C also and in case of medium B also. So here what I did is speed of light in air is 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. And we have to find the speed of light in medium C. Okay. To finally find out why we are finding this, we are finding this to finally find out the refractive index of medium B with respect to medium C. So here it is relative refractive index because it is with respect to two media, whereas these values are of absolute refractive index, that is with respect to air or vacuum. So what I did is I just kept the value of speed of light in air or vacuum right here. Actually for air and vacuum it is almost the same. For air it is very little less than vacuum. So we consider it to be 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. So we will go there and this value is 1.55. That is the absolute refractive index of medium C. So what we get is 3 upon 1.55. So if you can observe right here, 1.5, if you double 1.5, it will be 3 only. So the answer comes about 2, that is double. Double of 1.5 will be 3. So the answer comes around 2. So approximately you can say 2 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second is the answer here. That is the speed of light in medium C will be 2 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. Similarly, we have to find the speed of light in medium B also. So similarly in medium B, we know this value 1.44. Okay. So 1.44 is equal to speed of light upon speed of light in this medium. That is the medium B. So what we will get is 3 into 10 raised to 8 upon 1.44. So what actually value we get is around 2. So if we round it off, we'll get 2 only. Okay. So this will be also near about 2 and this is also near about 2 only. So when we divide, that is we use this formula, we keep value in this. So this value is right here. That is speed of light in medium C and speed of light in medium D is what we obtain right here. Now when we divide these two values, we'll get an answer near about 1. So you can see 0.928. So it tends to 1 only. So that is the relative refractive index. That is refractive index of medium B with respect to medium C. So dear friends, it's more about the concept. If you have understood the concept, you can find these things very easily. Today what I covered was absolute refractive index, what is refractive index and relative refractive index. And this numerical which had the formulas, this one that is to find the relative refractive index and this is for absolute refractive index. Okay. So that's all for today. Thank you very much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next video. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to never miss a video. Thank you very much.